Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Mercury enter in Aquarius. Mercury, a planet of knowledge, learning, making money, multiply money, a business, trading. Mercury, a planet of education. Mercury, a planet of sixth sense. Mercury, a planet of great knowledge. Mercury play a big role in solar system. Mercury is one of the nearest planet to Sun. Mercury always need power from Sun side because Mercury and Sun, they are great friendly relation with each other. And those native who have a Mercury well placed in birth chart, like exalted Mercury in Gemini, on sign Mercury in Gemini, or exalted Mercury or on sign in Virgo, they will blessed with a great sixth sense. They will blessed with a great trading knowledge. They will blessed with a great business skills. Their way of talking is very impressive if Mercury is exalted or own sign in birth chart. Today I am going to talk about Mercury entering Aquarius and Capricorn in retrograde motion. From 25th of January 2021, Mercury enter in Aquarius sign. Till 30th January 2021, Mercury retrograde in Aquarius. And Mercury again enter in Capricorn sign in 4th of February 2021 till 21st of February 2021. Then Mercury direct 21st of February 2021 to 11th of March 2021 in Capricorn. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendus. Gemini Ascendus, your Ascendus Lord, transit in your 9th house from 25th of January 2021 till 4th of Feb 2021 in direct and retrograde motion. First 5 days from 25th of January 2021 to 30th January 2021, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy good fortune. If you are finding a job, you will get job very easily. 25th of Jan 2021 to 30th Jan 2021, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Long distance journeys will make you happy. There is strong chances you may get work permit or PR from foreign land if you are already applied, because your Ascendus Lord is in your 9th house, which is one of the ultimate placement for you. But from 30th January 2021, your Ascendus Lord will be retrograde in your 9th house till 4th of Jan 2021. These 5 days, these 5 or 6 days will be a struggling for you. Don't try to invest your money anywhere. Don't buy any new vehicle. Don't try to apply PR or work permit in foreign land from 30th Jan 2021 to 4th of February 2021. And 4th February 2021, your Ascendus Lord retrograde and enter in your 8th house from your Ascendus with Jupiter Saturn till 21st of February 2021. You are not feeling comfortable. There is a lot of health issues. You need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful while talking with your elders. You must take blessings from your elder side. From 4th February 2021 to 21st of February 2021, Mercury retrograde in your 8th house. Your Ascendance Lord retrograde your 8th house with Jupiter Saturn conjunction. This is not very fruitful transit for you, Gemini. You need to perform your best at your workplace and at your home. Try to be with a good talks with your spouse. You are not feeling comfortable. You will be in a deep tension or stress or depression. Your health will be a matter of concern. Your nervous system will be a matter of concern. Backbone related trouble, stomach related trouble, lower part of your stomach will be affected. You need to be careful, Gemini. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't try to do anything new. Don't try to start anything new during this time from 4th February 2021 to 21st of February 2021. You need to be careful. Someone may cheat you. You will be a part of any problem. You will be a part of any litigation. You will be a part of any arguments. Try to give respect to your elders, especially your mother, your father, your sister. If you have a younger sister, must take blessings from your sister's side or your auntie side. Mercury retrograde in your 8th house. This is not very productive period. This is not very fruitful period. Your three major planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury is in your 8th house. You are not feeling comfortable. Venus is also transit in your 8th house. You will feel very depressed, very low energy, and you will be a part of any problem. Someone may cheat you. You may lose your money. Don't invest your money in stock market. Don't invest your money in real estate. This is not very fruitful time, Gemini. Whatever you have, try to save your money. Try to save your money in your account, or try to put, deposit your money in your father or mother account. Otherwise, some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. After 21st of February 2021 till 11th of March 2021, Mercury is direct in 8th house. You're feeling little bit better, but 8th house is not a fruitful house. 8th house is a house of sorrow, delay, sudden problems. 8th house is a house of long distance activities. If you are willing to try foreign PR or foreign work permit, then after 21st of Feb 2021 to 11th of February 2021, you will be on another height of success related to foreign activities. You will get PR very easily. You may get work permit if you are already applying. And foreign activity will make you happy. But don't invest your money anywhere till 11th of March 2021. From 25th of January 2021 to 11th of March 2021, these near about 45 days, you don't invest your money anywhere. Don't show your trust on anyone. Don't start anything new in partnership. Give respect to your elders. Don't be a part of any problem. Show your respect and love for your father and mother. Must take blessings from your younger sister or your auntie or your bhuaji. Mercury transit in your 8th house will create a lot of problem, confusion in your relationship. Give some respect to your spouse. Try to sit with your spouse and talk politely with her. Don't show your ego or attitude. If you show your ego or attitude in front of your spouse, divorce is there, separation is there, because 4 major planet is in your 8th house, which will create a lot of problems in your life. You will be a part of any problem, you will be a part of any litigation. You need to be careful and alert, Gemini. I am telling you again and again. Must read mantra of Om Gan Ganpataye Namah. Om Gan Ganpataye Namah 108 times, 121 times, 201 times, 221 times. Must read this mantra Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah. And must read Lord Ganesh Chalisa every day morning, 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. More you chant this mantra, more you read this Chalisa, you will feel positive energy. Otherwise, you will be in a deep depression and tension. Gemini, you need to perform your best and try to make a good balance between relationship and workplace. There's a lot of confusion are there. A lot of tension and depression are there. Your love life will be affected. If you are in a living relationship or love relationship, you will be a part of any problem. Give respect to your elders. Try to touch feet of your father every day morning and mother every day morning when you start your day. Blessings of your father, blessings of your mother will be a biggest game changer act for you, Gemini. Otherwise, you will feel lot of negative energy. You will feel lot of tension. You will feel lot of depression. Relationship with your spouse will be matter of concern. Your health will be matter of concern. Unnecessary burden are there. Must chant Lord Ganesha mantra, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, and read Lord Ganesh Chalisa every day morning, 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, and must visit Lord Ganesh temple on every Wednesday. You will feel good energy. Otherwise, you need to be careful while talking with anyone. Don't show your ego and attitude. I'm praying for your happy future. Stay positive. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam.